wrapped up. Deep breath for me. One more. Oh, got a good pull out.
That's a good one.
It's up top here. Try to let that loose as possible. Beautiful. One more. Already moving. Excellent. That moved good. Stay put.
Good here. Scoop like that.
Whoa.
Back down. Hands here. That one's good.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. That one all right here too. So we move it right there.
Oh my god.
Right.
No coffee.
No coffee. This will wake you up. There it is.
Mama.
How'd that one feel?
Oh,
Good. Now, what we're going to do is start here in the mid-back. And just to show you again what the pressure is like, it's going to be like this. Is that okay on the front?
good. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So you're going to feel a movement and hear a noise. And the noise is not your bones rubbing together. It's nitrogen gas releasing from the joint. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Big deep breath in and out. Chest relax. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
How'd you do there?
I'm good.
Up here in the lumbar spine, and then I'm going to lean over you.
Okay.
Force comes between our pockets.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you do have that natural tendency
I
to
know.
push the hips
Yeah,
out, right?
I'm
Okay.
almost sticking my bum out.
Breath in, all the way out. Hips relax all the way. Beautiful movement. That was big.
Yay!
Okay. Like so. Hips relax. Drop here. And then you know, breath in again. And out. Drop the hips all the way. Much bigger movement, right?
Yeah.
Ears.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same thing. So we're gonna breathe in deep and out. Breathe in again. Head relax. Drop here. Wow.
That was best.
Nice. Okay, David's jumping out, playing. Relax, relax, relax. So I use, there we go.
Awesome.
So use a bit of a kick just to get a
Other
nice, yeah. On the
Oh,
other
it's
side.
good.
Take a deep breath, breathe out, let go. Again, I'm using my whole body here. Good.
He's like, you got the AC. All right. Okay, so we're gonna do the neck now. So we're just gonna bring you over here. Ow! And same thing right here. Very good.
So we're gonna start off right here on the T3 on that right. We're gonna come through and good. Just getting that movement back over, bring that back to midline. Just a little bit over on the T1. Good. Okay. And then her secondary main complaint through here was gonna be right through here on that left side. So this is where we're gonna go. Take a deep breath in and let it out. There we go. Good.
What are we doing?
So we're gonna be doing the side posture adjustment. What that's gonna be is I'm gonna roll you a little bit more over towards me and just bring your attention and do an adjustment here, okay? There we go. Good. Got a lot of movement with that.